Hey, they're little artists! Today, get ready to dive into the world of 3D as we create an amazing house together. Are you excited? Let's grab our markers and make some magic happen. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, my artistic friends, grab your trusty black marker and let's start building our 3D house. First up, let's draw the roof of our house. A nice, slanted triangle to give our house that cozy feel. Now, let's add the walls underneath the roof. Connect those lines and watch our house take shape. Every house needs a door, right? Let's draw a rectangle for our friendly entrance. Time to add a little nature. Draw a small bush in front of our house. Nature makes everything better. Windows let the sunshine in. Let's draw a rectangle for our window. Imagine the view from inside. What's a house without a chimney? Let's draw a rectangle on the roof for our cozy chimney. Now, let's add some greenery. Draw a tree behind the house, reaching for the sky.
Awesome!
Oh, look! A friendly crow is joining us. It's going to make our drawing even more special. Before we move on to coloring, let's make our outline bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. This will make our drawing stand out even more. And now, my little Picassos, let's add some vibrant colors to our masterpiece.
Cool!
Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Orange color. Deep blue color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Brown color. Pink color. Green color. Fantastic job, little artist! Wow! Your 3D house is now a burst of colors and creativity. If you had a blast, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next artistic adventure. Ready to create your own magical house using shapes? Get your markers ready for a creative journey through our Shape House adventure at Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, let's begin with our trusty black marker. Draw a triangle as the roof of our house. Then, a rectangle beneath for the body of the house. Inside, draw another rectangle as our adorable door, complete with a tiny circle for the doorknob. Now, create 4 rectangles for our windows, dividing each into 4 parts. Adding a chimney is next. And let's have 3 circles for the smoke. Draw a small rectangle and triangle to shape up a cute little tree. Repeat this for another tree.
Awesome!
And don't forget a long rectangle as the base of our house. Now, draw a big circle for our shining sun and add tiny triangles as sun rays.
Awesome!
Let's add some life to our scene. Create a flying bird using shapes. 2 tiny rectangles for the beak, a circle for the head, another circle for the body, and 2 triangles as wings. Don't forget the legs. Once the drawing is done, make those outlines bold and sharp with your marker pen. Excellent job! It's time to bring this magical house to life with colors. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring.
Wow!
Green color. Brown color. Golden color. Blue color. Light blue color. Purple color. Orange color. Yellow color. Gray color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Orange color. Pink color. Purple color. You've just created a mesmerizing shape house. Keep up the creative spirit, little artists. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing creations. Until next time, keep drawing and exploring your creative world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.